Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP, just with another technical problem we've got in the workshop today on a 2011 Holden Cruze with its air conditioning problem. So this one's been presented to us with an intermittent air conditioning problem. So working sometimes, not working at other times. So in testing it, we were able to run the car for a while. It took about 3/4 of an hour before it started to lose performance. Not only just in fan speed, but also in air temperature, it started to die off. So having a look at different things, the gas pressures were okay. We also looked on our website, and there's actually a case study already on the website with a very, very similar, or virtually the same problem. And that's linked around the thermistor. So in this particular case we've got here today, the evaporator is freezing up. It's not cycling the compressor on and off, so therefore it's freezing up the evaporator. So again, once we look at live data, we can look at the thermistor. Now, just under the steering column on these vehicles, this is the one that's on our technical assistance area, or the repair solution. Up underneath the driver's side there, up is where the thermistor lives. So there's the thermistor up underneath where the pedal box is, into the actual evaporator box. So it's measuring the temperature of the evaporator to allow the computer, the ECU for the HVAC system, to switch the compressor on and off. That's a picture of the thermistor if you haven't seen one, an electronic device, an electronic thermostat basically that will tell the system what air temperature it's at. That's faulty, that's not allowing it to actually switch the AC on and off, and therefore it freezes up the evaporator. So after a period of time, the evaporator turns into an ice block basically, not allowing air flow across it, number one, but number two, obviously it won't chill the air properly as it's going through the evaporator, so you'll lose that temperature performance as well. So again, case study on our website, as well as we've struck it here. So again, a common issue, not just with the Cruzes, but these later model cars with thermistors, they can give trouble. So just be careful that you're not looking at an evaporator freezing up type of problem. If you are a member, make sure you utilise the repair solutions part of the website. Again, use the main search box if you're looking for anything in particular, a fault code or a particular key problem, just pop it into the search box. If you're not a member and want to join up, go to tap.net.au, our homepage, click up the Join Up Now button and join up the 3,000 plus other technicians, professional technicians, sharing information, knowledge and experience. See you next time.